Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
U Dr. Lichumu Timuri, MBBS, MD Medicine, DM Cardiology. U Dr. Ubasumar Klong Snam Bat Kithit Snam. On Sdang Yakajing Sumar Naduka Shitrik Ulbeat Arajar Arfusan Hawallan Hospital Shillong.
Katahan riwar kala Kyndit thread hadian kejeng nyovot nagabentak langkerdam lat kro MDC constituency hak bau Pyrsa kur Trai ju sembut mendirang ba kajela ba Prestone tensang uba ra bok tensong larem hak ni election MDC hau kertong ka VPP uba Syamrenja kelangkerdam lat kro constituency kadai bajumi khmat naga yeng kesem ju ba Prestone tensong lat no tang hak ni ka samai trekam badang syudam kebalami khmat du ba ringkat lendam ke UDP. Hanong Shkan constituency part ke kertong jengeseng NPP ke Kongres Miri Kharpuri kelajab sashi sen biang pak kejeng khun kelong ke bajuat bah baru kertong ke VPP ubaman bah thaba.
Certificate of election. I, returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency, number 9, Lincoln Patro in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th of February 2025, declare Shri Shemwata Rinja of the Alliance of the People Party to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I am granted him this certificate of election. Dated Pyrsa, 24th February 2025.
Returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election, constituency number 10, National, in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declare Srimati Grace Mary Kharpuri of National People's Party to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to her the certificate of election.
Nikong Shah ngayu lu play ngangit hi bakade ka bor play hi ka bangayo ka jingjam bat ka baar naso banaingo so nikong ya i kurim jonga ya i madu Prestone MLA badan buram jongi bat balong rojo ka deputy chief minister jongi bat ya kipat ba nong kershan jok ka nong Shkan constituency nakaliang ka jonga ngamdang kentien hi banong bat ngangit bakade hi kajing baupai ba udang don kajing shania yang pangandang beteng biang kum ke MDC hakadam ke basa kamat ke baning kong ti ngin hap ban budien swa yeki barokh kitam ki badangsa mo kilang bon ki badangsa bat ngangit scam ka ba gindang yai budien kita kitam ki badangsa namar kum pite bi la laitam ngala long kum ka yem bat ke MDC Jong mo ka dong Shkan constituency ti andai ngila resume office tengah Trai ingin budien bet syai kitam ki badangsa ya kata nama bangam patip lut manu kanu seat ni job kanu ki party ki job ti adu tan ngin dalayo ke results pero kwat tengah Trai in sa designated. Nakaliang kecungahi ngam sola syo banong kuno bangan express sila di bangal adapt da kajing kemen namar ba mo nilayo ikajing job ka ba kani kasin ka basaw tike ka bang akwa banong supai ba ade mga sungu ya kajing kershan ke jongki bat kham tame mga sungu ya kinongkit kam nadu ka block NPP punusla ki primary units ki bapher ki leaders ki jongi te nakaliang ka jongahi na chuong shaki ba kimde ban long lese ban tu jikermen hangno namar habang ala job but ngandang la abet bangan ai ka jing shakri ka bahatam ki nang ne shakmat